Goliath bird-eating spiders, giant arachnids. Big, hairy, and heavy. It's nighttime in the rainforest. As you walk down the path, you see the biggest spider you've ever seen. This giant spider has 8 long, hairy legs and fangs that measure 0.75 inches, about half the size of a person's thumb. Its venom can stop the mouse in its tracks with a single bite. A giant of the spider's world. The Goliath bird-eater is the heaviest spider in the world. They can weigh up to once about the weight of a large apple. Running into a spider the size of a dinner plate can be scary, but you don't need to worry. These spiders aren't dangerous to humans. They are an important part of the tropical habitats where they live. Eyes, legs, and hair. Goliath bird-eating spiders are the largest of the tarantulas. Tarantulas are a style of big, hairy spiders found in many parts of the world. Like many other spiders, Goliaths have 8 eyes and 8 legs. They also have 2 main body parts. The front part contains the spider's eyes, mouth, stomach, and brain. The legs are also attached to this part. The part in the back contains the spider's silk-making gland. Goliath tarantulas are covered in coffee-colored hairs. Their long, thick legs have dark brown hairs. The hairs are lighter in color at each joint or knee. Even though they have 8 eyes, these giant spiders have a poor eyesight. They can tell light from dark, but they can't make out much detail. Instead, they depend on the special hairs that cover their body to sense when prey is near. The hairs can feel the slightest vibrations on the ground and in the air. When the mouse of other small prey crawls by, wham! It triggers an attack. The Goliath has an extra set of short limbs near the spider's head to hold the victim. These short appendages then help pull the prey toward the Goliath's mouth and the fangs. Life in the steamy rainforest. Goliath spiders live in the humid rainforest of South America. They live in burrows under the ground or in spaces under rocks until, unlike many spiders, they don't spin a web, but they make silk to use in their burrows. Tropical rainforests are not spots for living things, from bats, butterflies, and birds to big cats. The lush plant life. These habitats are rich with life. Rainforests cover only about 6 or 7% of Earth's surface. However, they contain more than half of the plant and animal species in the world. Hunters on the prowl. Tarantulas are nocturnal, which means they normally stay hidden in their burrows during the day. After the sun goes down, they hunt. Goliath spiders are silk-skilled predators. Crickets, beetles, frogs, bats, mice, and other small animals are all on their menu. They sometimes eat a small bird, but the feathered creatures aren't a normal part of their diet. These tarantulas have extra large, long fangs that are filled with venom. When a mouse or other small animals get close, Goliaths pounce and grab the prey with their legs. The spiders inject the prey with venom through their fangs. The venom attacks the nervous systems and paralyzes small prey. It isn't strong enough to cause serious problems in humans, but the bite can cause swelling and pain like a sting from a bee or a wasp. The Goliath spider's mouth is a straw-shaped opening that can only suck. All food must be in liquid form. Spiders breathe strong juices on the paralyzed animal they've bitten, and these juices turn the flesh into liquid. A large tarantula can turn a mouse into a small pile of hair and bones in about 36 hours by breaking down the mouse tissue and sucking up the liquid remains. What eats a giant spiders? Although Goliath bird eating tarantulas are giant of the spider's world, they do have enemies to scare away predators. Goliaths rear up on their hind legs or make a loud hissing sound by rubbing in the hair on their legs together. Seal hawks, only skunks and snakes sometimes eat these spiders. Their legs together. Seal hawks, owls, skunks, and snakes sometimes eat these spiders. One of their deadliest predators is an insect known as a spider wasp or tarantula hawk. When the female wasp spies a tarantula, she stings it. The sting paralyzes the spider but doesn't kill it. The wasp digs a hole, places the paralyzed spider in it, and lays an egg on it. When the egg hatches, the wasp larva making a tiny hole in the spider's body and crawls inside. Then the larva feeds on the spider, growing up as a tarantula. Goliath spiders are longers. They only get together with other spiders during the mating seasons, or when they are guarding their young. Females are bigger than males and live much longer. Some females have survived more than 25 years in captivity. Like all spiders leave tarantulas molt as they outgrow their hard outer covering, which is called an exoskeleton. They leave their old skin behind a new outer skin hardens underneath. Adult Goliaths molt once or twice a year. Spiderlings or young spiders molt more often. After mating, a female Goliath lays about 50 eggs in a silk egg sac. They store the sac in her burrow and guard the legs until they hatch in about 6 to 7 weeks. The little spiderlings stay under her watchful eye for a few weeks until after their first molt. Then they are on their own for the rest of their lives. Why spiders matter? Goliaths have been around for millions of years, and they haven't changed much in that time. Their sheer size has always fascinated people. We continue to learn more about these spiders, from how their venom works to why females live longer than males. Like all living things, these spiders play an important role in the habitats where they live. They help keep rodents, insects, and other prey special species under control. They also provide food for other animals. The world just wouldn't be as interesting without these hairy giants crawling through the forest.